Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, trying to stay wise in life and in these markets. Right now it's 3:54 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm in New York City, and we got the Australian dollar versus the US dollar in the scope. Right now we got this major push down right now, and we getting the retest. So it broke this level right here. That's my uptrend support line, and we getting the retest right now. So as soon as it breaks below this level, I'ma sell. I'ma sell to probably, let's see, what's my price target? Probably the S3. We got major support around here, the S3 right here. And this is my this is copper futures. I got this on the chart. I also got that copper line, and this is that yellowish line right there. That's my Australian dollar futures. So I put that on TradingView as well, so I could monitor those two. So they both pushing down right now, and if you know, copper is a major export of Australia. So if copper is going down, the Australian dollar will go down as well. So that's why I have them on the chart. Let's see if I can clear that up a little bit so you can see it. Right, so they're both dipping down. The price is going down as well. Price action. Then I'm also looking at the US dollar for confirmation of strength in the move, because the US dollar always controls their peers like GBP USD, AUDUSD. All the USD pairs is controlled by the US dollar. Whatever the US dollar does, that's what it does. So if the US dollar is pushing up, retesting, take a look at this. It's going to push back up and retest. So you can see the comparison right there. Let me see if I can make that a little bigger. Right, so as it pushes up, this pushes down. You see we got that breakout and retest right now. It broke out and now it's retesting this level. So as soon as we break this level here, that's my uptrend support line. As soon as we break that again, I'ma sell. So that's the trade plan right now. The US dollar is making a shooting star, it's pulling back a lot, so let's see what it does. If it falls back into congestion, because it's in congestion right now, let me see if I can make that bigger. Right, so I marked up this congestion area right here. See, that's my congestion area. It broke out, and that's my NyQuil strategy. I call it the NyQuil. So when you break congestion, it's kind of a play on words, you know what I'm saying? So when you break out, get the retest, and we push back up, I'ma sell on AUDUSD. And also on the current currency wave heat app, it's showing that the AUDUSD is really weak right now as well. So it's all confluence is lining up perfectly, you know. Oh, and this line right here, that's my oil futures. So when I'm looking at the USD, the US dollar chart, I put oil on there. So oil is dropping, and this is the US dollar futures. So this is I look at the Dow Jones FXCM dollar index, which is a more comprehensive US dollar index compared to like the Dixie. And yeah, this is the US dollar futures. Yeah, that's it right here. So if you want to find it, just go on TradingView, go into compare, and type in the symbol. Type in US dollar futures, and you'll find it there. So yeah, that's my little trade setup right now, and it's looking good to me right now. Hopefully we get this break again. Once we get this break, I'ma sell. I got an alert set right here. Once it hits that alert, I'ma sell. I might even wait for like a little confirmation of a retest right here. Like if it breaks, pushes back up and hits that again, that'll be a perfect setup. Put my stop loss like all around here and just try to go for, let's see how much pips that'll be. So that's 37 pips to the S3. And let's see if we take it to the bottom of this channel here, of this congestion area. That's 56 pips. So let's see what it does. The only thing concerning to me is these moving averages, these SMAs. That's my 100, that's my 200, and that's my 50. We got the 50 crossing over the 200. That's a sign of weakness right there. We got the 100 about to cross over the 200. That's a sign of weakness. So that's a more confluence that it'll break down lower. But it's still above these SMAs. So gotta be careful with that, because it could easily bounce on any one of these right here. And as you can see, this is the hour chart. Let me see if I put it down to the 15 so you get a little more detail. So we had this push up congestion, we had this rollover, a little push up again, kind of like a double top, and now we got the push down. And this setup here is perfect. This retest right here and that push back down, it breaks this level here, we good to go. All confluence, you know what I'm saying? Change in direction, double top, futures pushing down, US dollar popping up, US futures popping up. So it's looking good. These are the kind of trade setups that even if you lose it, like even if you lose, you don't feel too bad about it because everything was in your favor, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we looking like we're gonna push down now. And I usually execute on MT4 and I do my charting on TradingView. Alright, you see the US dollar pushing up. Let's see, that's an alert going off. That's Euro USD actually. Let me switch over there and see what's happening real quick. So Euro USD is selling off. Alright, so we got this push down here. It still hasn't hit the my alert. So when it hits that alert, I'm gonna wait for the little push back up and I'm gonna sell. You see, ain't no rush. With Forex, you can't rush it. You gotta be patient, like extra patient. Like I trade stocks as well, and you don't have to be that patient in stocks. You know, stocks kind of move, you know what I'm saying? But with Forex, it's a different kind of animal, it's a different kind of market. And my green tea is getting cold, so I'm gonna go hit the microwave for like 1 minute. I'm gonna be back. Yeah, man, you gotta have that green tea at 4 in the morning, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. Usually I have these charts side by side, so this is the 1 hour. Excuse me. And this is my 15-minute next hit right here. And I listened to, what's her name? Her name is, oh yeah, Anna Cooling. She has a lot of books on, like, okay, so we got our trigger pushing down. And let's see, I'm gonna wait for a little retest. Let me make this chart bigger again. Alright, so I just need that little retest right there. Just pull back up a little bit and I'm gonna jump in for the sell. Alright, so we got the pull back up. Let's see how much it pulls back. When I hit that sell button on MT4, you're gonna hear it, hopefully. You know, it makes that kind of slap sound. So yeah, I think that pullback I think that's good enough. Alright, so I'm gonna set my stop like at 0.77572. Alright, and let's see, let's set up a let's see. My entry price was 0.77488. Let's see, put that on here. And the stop loss is 0.77572. Alright, I'm gonna set my target at, let's see, 0.77237. And that's a 1 to 3 roughly. I got 2.99, but a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Alright, and hopefully we hit our target. Looks like my stop is a little too tight. Hopefully it works out though. I see the US dollar is pushing up. Right, we're about to break this level right here. And hopefully it does. This stop is kind of tight though, it's only at 8 pips. They say you shouldn't move your stops when you set them, so I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I should do like 15 at least. Like around here should be a good stop. 15 pip stop loss. I haven't really moved it on MetaTrader 4 yet, my actual execution platform, but let's see. I'm thinking about it. Alright, so I just moved my stop up. Let's see if I got the exact. Let me get the exact 77643. Alright. Alright, so I set my 15 pip stop loss. Give it some room to breathe. And let's see. I'm gonna set my target right at, so that reduce my my risk to reward is now 1.66, so like a 1.5. But I'm gonna be trailing my stop anyway, so see, I'm trying to see like a next target here to get like a better risk to reward would be, let's see, right here. Right, so we got a 1 to 2. So let me adjust that on MT4. $77179. Alright, looks like we're respecting this level right here. That's good. The US dollar is kind of pulling back a little bit. Nothing major, so it's looking good. Once it respects this level right here, we could get that push up. Oh, and this is good as well. The volume here is kind of low on the push up, so that's good. On the US dollar it's the same thing. The volume on the drop right there is low, so we're good. Damn, I forgot my green tea in the microwave. I'll be back. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Got this engulfing candle coming in here. Gotta watch out for that. Volume is still low. The RSI is still below the middle level, so we're still good. Right now we got price pushing up on the S2, getting some rejection right there of the S2. So hopefully it stays below that. Or if it wants to retest the bottom of this level right here, I guess it could. Or maybe retest this 7 EMA. That's my yellow line coming down here. That wick rejection is what I want to see though. Right off the S2 right here. And just push all the way down here. Hopefully I could be done by 6 o'clock. Right now it's 4:21. Wanna probably go back and get some sleep. Wake up, trade the US open on the stock market, and then I gotta go to work later, so we on grind mode, man. You know what I'm saying? Been up since 2:45. And I'm working a 3 to 11 shift, so it's a serious grind, you know what I mean? But if you want some, you gotta sacrifice for it, so we working, man. I'm not trying to make this video too long, but I'm trying to leave it running until I at least get into profit, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, we got some news coming up today, but that's at 7 o'clock, I think. Yeah, that's the US mortgage refinance, mortgage market index, MBA purchase index, MBA mortgage applications, and MBA 30-year mortgage rate. So a lot of real estate news. After that, we got some CPIs, core CPIs. But we way before the news, so we should be good. Alright, looks like we're gonna test the 7 EMA plus probably the bottom of this area here, and hopefully I don't get stopped out. I still really don't see any danger signals. The only danger signal I'm seeing right now is the US dollar making an engulfing candle. Because if we push back down into congestion, that'll just stop me out. That's gonna just make the US dollar the AUDUSD just push up. Because if this falls, it's gonna push up. Let's see what alerts. AUDUSD. Okay, stop triggered. That's not my stop loss. I doubt that. Let's see. Alright, so we hitting this level right now. That US dollar pushing down hard, so right now hopefully we don't get stopped out. Let me pull across the US dollar. Right, so it's holding the support on the 7 EMA right above congestion where it broke out from. So hopefully this is just a retest and it pushes back up now. This is the 50 moving average. Anything above that, they say that you should look for sells, buys. So this is another confluence here. We are above the 50. Plus we hold in that 7 EMA. So we should be good. Yep, we got some wick rejection here. That's perfect. We just need to hold that line. Hold that R1 and push up to R2. See the US futures here, it kind of dipped. Let's see. You can see it dipped off a little bit. Alright, so we're getting some rejection off of this level right here and the 7 EMA. So we just need that push down now. Break below this level again and push down into profit. Right now we got the US dollar, the Australian dollar in the futures is gaining some strength, plus the copper is moving up as well, so that's not good. Because with the dollar dropping off a little bit, plus this pushing up, that's gonna cause me to get stopped out, so Hopefully that changes. We got the RSI kind of leveling off. Need that to push back down. Right, so we got the US dollar right on top, the congestion where it break out. That's where it broke out from, so we really needed to push up from this level. Anything dipping into here is bad. When you break congestion, you don't want to fall back into congestion. That's not good. Yeah, we need that push up right there. A lot of volume came in on this down candle, so we need some volume to push that back up. Let me see what's going on Euro USD. Alright, so it's creating like a little bear flag, I guess. We got that push down and a little consolidation right there. Let's see GBP USD. That's pushing up for real. Looks like it's about to break the highs right now. I got this level set here. Breaking highs, look out for retest and buy entry. That's my alerts. Right now I gotta be patient in this drawdown, suffering some drawdown right now, so just gotta keep looking at the correlations and what's the danger signs, Like we got the coppers pushing back down now. That's turning down, so that's good. Hopefully the Australian futures will push down as well. We got the US futures now. That's pushing down. Need that to cool back up. The RSI push down is kind of pushing back up a little bit now. Need that to push back up as well. Volume kind of low. Need that to come in, you know what I'm saying? So we got multiple danger signs right now. Alright, this is looking good. We're getting a little push up on the US dollar. Volume struggling to come in though. That's not good. The RSI tweaking up a little bit. Alright, we're at the halfway, so that's kind of a piercing pattern. So that's good. That's good. I need this US futures to cool up though. It's a good thing we holding the 7 EMA. That's good. That's good resistance right there. Once it stays below, we're in good territory. I need this volume to come in a little more, man. That volume is too low. RSI looking like it wants to cool down. That's good. We almost there with the dark cloud cover. That's a candlestick pattern where it comes to halfway or further. They call that a dark cloud cover. So if that comes in, that'll be good. We kinda there right now. Needed to be like right here to confirm that. If we get an engulfing pattern, that'll be perfect. The time now is 4:38, so I don't know what time. What time did I start this video? Oh, it's like about 44 minutes in. Hopefully you're still sticking around. I know this shit is kind of boring sometimes, but if you want to learn, you gotta watch stuff like this. And I ain't no expert by any means, you know what I'm saying? I'm just learning myself. See if I switch down to the 5-minute chart. Let's see what's happening here. Alright, so we got some weakness on the push up. Got some weak rejections right here. Indecision. And then we're getting the push down now. And we need this candle here, we need that to close below the 7 EMA to confirm we're still in good shape. I don't know, let me see if I kept my stop loss where it was. Let me see if I would have got stopped out. Yeah, I would have got stopped out already. See, that was too tight. My stop loss was like around 8 pips. That was way too tight. So that was a good decision to put it at like 15. See this right here? This volume falling off. That's not a good look. With VPA and volume price analysis, this is a real bad look right here. Because it's showing that the strength push it down is falling off. I need it to be like this, pushing up. So if this candle, this volume candle comes up, pushes above these, that's what we want to see. Plus this is my average true range. Those white crosses right there, as you can see, is way below average. Alright, we got the RSI that's pushing down below the average level. This is my 45 mark. We need that to just push down lower. Right now the video is like about 48 minutes, so hopefully I get this push down into at least this area. Let's see what's break even. Around here is the break even level, so when it gets to here I can move my stop to break even and just let it ride from there. Hopefully we could get like a big move down in like the next 12 minutes, 15 minutes. That'll put us at 5 o'clock. So we push back up above the R1. That's my Camarilla levels on the US dollar. We just gotta break this level here and push up to the R2. The US futures, that's cooling up a little bit, so we're looking alright. Got some nice volume pushing up as well, but that candle was too short, because look at this. Look how much sell off we got. And this candle is just about almost that level, and we only get half the push up. We're supposed to be up here. Personally, man, this trade is taking a little too long to come to fruition. I'm considering closing it out right now, but let me be a little patient and see what's up. But if I look at it properly, it's a bear flag pattern, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad. We got the push down. This is the flag. All we need now is a drop off. On the US dollar, same thing. It's a bull flag though, so it's inverse. So we got the push up, got some sideways movement. I guess it's gathering some orders or whatever it is before it pushes up. This right here, all this volume came in on this push up, but the 7 EMA still held the level, so that's good. That's good. Hopefully this candle doesn't close above the 7 EMA. Switching back to my 15-minute chart. That's looking good right there. Australian dollar futures pushing down again. Copper is pushing down. RSI kind of sideways, but below the average. Need that to push down a little bit. We got some indecision on a doji candle right there. Hopefully we get a decision to the low side. Kind of bouncing off this 100 SMA line right now. We need, if this 7 EMA crosses the 100, we good to go. That's a definite bearish sign. Right, we got 6 minutes to go till 5 o'clock. Let's see what happens. I think 5 o'clock in New York City is that'll be, I think it's 10 o'clock in London. So maybe somebody will come back from their coffee break at 10 o'clock and put in a big sell order and help me out over here. Let's see on the 5 minute. The This isn't really a good pattern right here. I just noticed it's like I think they call that an ascending triangle. So if you mark this up, no, not this one, this one. See, we're getting like higher lows. And if you draw this line over here, they say usually when it gets to this area, it pops up, so let's see. Alright, so we got like 1 minute and 45 seconds for this candle to close. You see on TradingView they got the timer right here. That's a cool feature. Alright, so we got less than a minute to go for that candle to close. Hopefully it just dips. Alright, so that candle closed as indecision doji. More to the downside though, so I guess that's good. It seems like John over in London, whoever he is, he needs to put in that sell order right now, man. I mean, he's still sipping his coffee. I don't know what he's doing. But somebody tell John over in London, drop that sell order, man. Oh shit! Look, it looks like John put that sell order in, man. Let's see what's up. We about to break that 100 SMA. All right, John, go ahead, John. Do your thing, bro. Oh shit! What we seeing right here? All right. This is what I want to see right now. But we need more volume though. Because I don't want no fake moves coming down here, man. We need some more volume. RSI pushing down. Need that to cool down as well. The Australian futures. Alright, so we broke the 100. Let's see, let's switch to the 5-minute. Nice push down candle. Pushing past break even. Let's see the US dollar pushing up back at this level. Got that same wick rejection again. This is a tough level to get through. Let me see some. Let me pull up some right now. That's my volume pointer control lines, and they should push through here real quick, man, because it ain't got too much. All this volume over here would create resistance, but ain't got much up here, man. They should push through. Yeah, I think we're gonna push through up here. Plus we got more buys, which is the lighter color. The sells is the gray. Yeah, we should push through. Oh, and if you wanna apply that indicator as well, that's the volume by price. And this is the VPOC line right here. You see that green line, the POC, point of control. So that's volume point of control. That's the green line right here. You just go to your indicators and type in VPSV HD. Alright, we got that volume coming in. That's beautiful right there. Above average volume for the push down. That's good. Right now I'm just waiting patiently for that US dollar to just push above the level it's stuck at. There isn't too much resistance there. The volume is low at that area, so we should push right through. But we keep getting those wick rejections. I don't know why, but you know, the market does what it wants to do. And I gotta give mad props up to John up in London there, who made this big red candle for the big sale right there. Shout out to you, John. Big sellers out there in London, that's what's up. Damn, that US dollar is really bouncing off at this level here, man. Like that's major resistance right here. Why you can't push past right here, man? Like, what's up with that? That should be easy right now. Oh no, man, I was waiting for it to drop into profit a little bit, but right now this video is mad long, man. It's like an hour and 15 minutes already. Well, anyway, I think I'm gonna cut this off right now. You could go to the charts after you see this. It already materialized whether I hit profit or not, or got stopped out. So, thanks for watching, y'all. It's your boy King Yadia, trying to stay wise in life and in these markets. So, I hope you got some from it. And peace and love to you all. Blessings.